Ellen DeGeneres.
I'm Dr. Phil. Yeah.
What is your problem?
Oh my gosh,
She has a sneezing problem.
Sorry, I have different things all the time. It's just really obnoxious. Whoa, I sound like a